You know what, actually, I think the best way to do this one would probably be with graph paper. If you need some graph paper, feel free to come grab some. And at this point, if you don't have any graph paper, then take like a bunch of them. Take like 5 sheets or something and put them in your notebook so that you have it. So this is 2.2 time series charts and scatter plots. Is this working for you so far, by the way? Like me doing one example with you and then having one for you to do, and you feel okay about it? Do you feel like you need more practice, or you're fine? All right, so time series charts and scatter plots. Today is 10/20. Okay, I'm also going to need to know how tall you are. And when I say I need to know how tall you are, I need to know within the nearest inch. So everybody already know how tall they are? Okay, but I need to know within the nearest inches, and like I don't want you to say I'm 6'2". I want you to tell me how many inches tall you are. So if you need to grab a calculator, feel free, but you take your feet times 12 and then add whatever's left over. So for example, I am, anybody want to take a guess how tall I am? 5'2.5". And if you're like half, yeah, and that's important, and let me tell you why. My husband is 6'2", and he says he's a foot taller than me, and that is a lie. He is not. He's 11.5 inches taller than me, and I'm sick of him saying it, okay? So just so we're all aware, until I become an old lady and I start actually losing my height, I am 5'2.5". We're all clear? Great, okay. So my height would be 5 times 12, which is 60, plus 2, 62.5. Okay? If you need to figure it out, feel free. Okay. Down here, for this one, this scatter plot just has whatever you want it to have. I'm going to put height at the bottom. And on the side, I'm going to go palm to middle finger. We're going to see if there's a correlation with your height and how long that measurement is between your palm to your middle finger. And I'm going to write down everybody's data points as like points, like you would in a math class, because remember how this is a math class? All right, how many people are here? We'll just do the 8 of you. Okay. Hey, Crystal, do you know where the testing room is for special ed? Dr. Hansen's in there right now, because we're short a para today. And he said he might need help later today from our TAs. If we need somebody to like read tests aloud or something to other kids. Can you go check in with him and see if he'll need you during 6th or 7th? Tell him right now you're doing other stuff. Okay, so let's start with Carter. How tall are you?
6'1".
So how many inches is that?
It's 73 inches,
Look how nice your friend is. And and all right, and I'm also going to write height in inches here. They don't actually have to be the same. You can just, as long as you write it out, and then centimeters for palm to middle finger. All right, so palm to middle finger.
20 centimeters.
20? Okay, 20 centimeters. Michaela.
65 and then 16 and a half.
16 and a half. Everybody should be writing these numbers down. Jaden?
73 and a half, 20.
Yeah, you understand the difference between a half, an inch. You get it. All right. Megan?
62 and 15 and a half.
Okay. Landon?
71 inches and 18.5 centimeters.
Okay. Alex?
70 inches and
Okay. Triton?
72 inches and 19.12.
And Emma?
67 and 18.5.
Okay. All right, so now we're going to start graphing these like you would normally. Which number goes first on the X? The X is the one that goes across. So in this, which one are we going to graph on the X?
62?
Yeah, the number that it comes first is the X value. So here, and you said that the lowest number was 62? 62. And our highest number is what? 73 and a half? So let's just, I'm just gonna write 62. Let's see, how much space do I have? 2, 3, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 70, not quite enough room. All right, so I'm just gonna go everyone then. So this will be 64, that'll be 66, 68, 70, 72, and 74 is all I need. And then let's see, palm to middle finger, it is, looks like our lowest is 15 and a half, so, and our highest is 20. So I'm just gonna go 15 here. You wanna spread it out as much as you can. Here's 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now, do you guys see how I broke the axis on both of these? How come? Right. I wanted to jump to that point, so that's why I didn't start them at 0. It'd be a pretty stupid graph, wouldn't it, if I started at 0?